Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market, and checking out the links for either E-Trade or M1, where you can save and trade fractional stocks, or Webull, which is usually giving away a couple free stocks for just depositing $100. So I strongly invite you to invest in your future and check them out. Thanks, and let's get to the video.
Glowing, so cool. 7mm bolts, 3 of them, to take off this lower cover. And then there's one back here in a little tube. We got my 1/4 inch 7mm extension, maybe a swivel, and my gun. So we'll get that last bolt out. Got the 2 easy front ones out already. 7mm again, and then we'll get this lower cover off. Now blower motor, boom. Here, push to release tab, a screw. We'll just connect this to blower fan speed, or push it off to the side. Let's get that out of the way. Drop this tube down, because that kind of locks us in place. We just need to turn this 45 degrees apparently. Feel it. Look at that. Let's see what's going to come out here. Mice or what? Watch out. That's little tangs for locking it in place. So you just put it back up and turn it back into place, I guess. See if I figure this out here. There it is, I think. Boom. Back in. A little tricky. Put this piece back in, plug things back together, put your shield up, and that is replacing your blower motor.